I'm an inspirational speaker, and today I'm joining you guys via my YouTube channel Kapil Inspirational. I will be sharing my thoughts about anger. As we all know, we all, being a human being, want our life with joy and prosperity. But what is happening now these days, if we see, being a corporate person, being a businessman, being a labor, being any class of the business, we are trying to live our life in a different way, in a fast sector. If I say, we usually go to our offices at a time of 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, and we leave our office at 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. the whole day that we do. When we wake up in the morning, we have some plans to do in the whole day. We want to live our life with happiness, with joy. But what happens? Plenty of reasons are there that may harm us, that causes the issue to have some kind of dissatisfaction, anger in our life, and we usually want to avoid that. So today I'll be sharing my thoughts how to overcome anger and how to be happy and prosperous. The anger is nothing. Like I say, if I say, most of the people will say, how can you say that anger is nothing? But I say anger is nothing. This is only a state and presence of mind. How I can say it? The thing is, there is only one thing on the face of this earth is love, is affection, is attachment, is attraction. How? If we want something, that is attraction, that is attachment, not a hate. Anger words is generated with a word of hate. If we hate someone, then only anger will come. It means if we are not liking something, suppose if we are saying something to someone and a person is not listening to us, then we have some anger on him. So like I say, anger comes with a word of hate. But I say we do not hate anyone. Hate means different, distance. But love means coming together. Love means attraction. Love means attachment. So like the same, I say there is a nothing word of anger. There is only one word, that is love or attraction. So why anger comes? If we try to say, if we utter few words to someone and the person is not listening to us, then only we have angerness. And we hate the guy. We try to say our words very loudly so that the person should listen to us. Why it happens? Because at the time we feel there is a distance between us. There is a distance within us. So the thing is, the love and anger, I say the anger is nothing, there is only a love. Because we love, we try to attract ourselves towards hate. We try to attract ourselves towards angerness. This is only a second thought of anger, but I say this is also love. So this is only, I said prior, this is a state of mind, this is a presence of mind. So rather than saying the word is anger, we have to accept this is not anger, because we are trying somehow to be communicated, somehow to be attractive towards anger. That's why we are accepting that. But if we are trying to accept someone, we are trying to attach something, then this is love. So we have to just change the thought of our mind. This is not anger, this is a love. Once we will try to focus on love, then automatically the anger word will go out from us. So I would say to all of you guys, whenever you feel angerness, whenever someone say, I'm angry at you, whenever you have some distance from someone, just try to understand, if I am trying to attract, if I am trying to be attached with anger, that means I am loving that thing. So why to love that thing which is keeping us separate? I should love that thing which is connecting to us. So this is the only thing Whenever you face such issue, whenever you face such instance to be angry on anyone, just be just change your thought. If this is not anger, this is a love. Automatically love will come to you and you will feel happy.